Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni page but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Ka Sarkar Jala Kabala Ptha ya Katanat Pulit Bakin Register Case Halor ke Ejahar Kabala Ujor Persha ya u Director General of Police DGP u Dr. LR Bishnoi u Bansa Shong Thai no ha ka khat khandai tarik u jamang yathu u Menteri Katanat Kampo Yeng u ba Prastun Tensong Uba Prastun Tensong ula ong baya ki Ejahar jingtohkit halor kani ki Ejahar kan sedang menta kasngi palai bat kani ki Ejahar persya ya u DGP kadai kabala mudui da u officer MPS bat Assistant Inspector General iaid barim uba jiki yang rai halor ka jingkeno ba u Bishnoi ulale ya kamboman bat kam syukur da ka pendan kam ya kali kabala pendat da u number thok Katkum ke Ejahar la keno ba DGP ula pendon kam ya kali Kia Carnival Limousine kabala pendat tu ya number ML02 A001 ubadai number jong kali Verna balathiet da katanat kabala penyeng ha Central Workshop Uba Prastun ula ong ba baro phis nguthui ba sisien bala register ya ka kes karai ka bakhadu kanchong ha kaying kasyari bakan bat ka ai ka jingtohkit banya shakhmat bat ngin sa IT ya ka jingsyam ha kaying kasyari bakan syam ya karai
FIR yesterday afternoon relating to that fake number plate or something. So now the case has been registered and the investigation has just started. So please give space, let the investigation be on, and thereafter let the law takes its own course.
Sir, just 10 days left for the DGP to retire. How do you see that just 10 days before this FIR is filed?
Well, that how can I predict or how can I say anything like that? But for us, our duty is what? When FIR was filed, we need to attend to this, and the attention of the government has been drawn. That's what I'm telling you. We have already registered. And then the investigation has just started. So please be patient. What action are you talking about? I said, right? Yeah, action is investigation has just started. Okay, that is the action right now. Investigation has just started.
But sir, if he retired, so what action will I going to take? He is going to retire.
See, that, as I said to you now, don't ask that question, because see, me or you, we cannot come to a conclusion. Because see, once we register, as I said to investigation, after investigation we have to again file affidavit to the court about the detailed investigation that we made. Then only I'll tell you, we'll be able to know exactly when the court says yes, this is wrong or this is right. Okay?
So the complaint is also against members of that inquiry committee into the vehicle purchase. So will action be taken against those members of the inquiry committee?
Let me just tell you one thing. Yes, in the FIR, I think the person who filed FIR, he draw the line again to the old case. And this old case, it becomes existing case because the court has yet to decide anything. So I will not reply on that at all because the case is still on. So let the court decide.